Hi, friends. By now, you should be receiving work or assignments, activities from your speech and language team. I just wanted to kind of go over the Google Classroom in case you're not seeing the materials that we're sending to you. This is the home page, and you'll notice right here on the left-hand side, it says, "Woohoo! No work due soon." The reason it says no work due soon is because we're not assigning it with a due date. So it might look like you don't have any work, but if you click on View All, it'll show everything that's been assigned to you or your student. And then what you'll do is you'll just click on the individual assignment. And here it looks like there's nothing assigned, but then you're going to click on Details, and that'll take you to the activity. So one thing I just wanted to let you know is you can go ahead and mark it as done, and that lets your speech therapist know that you've already participated in the assignment. And if you have any questions or concerns, or you want any more guidance in particular for that specific assignment, please feel free to type it in here, send us a quick message, and your speech therapist can get back to you. I wanted to also remind you under classwork, there are already lots and lots and lots of materials that are not specifically assigned to your kiddos, but you can access them at any time. So just remember that you can go ahead and look through these, click on them if it looks like something that your kiddo would be interested in, and you can participate in it. One thing I wanted to point out are the different board games. So we have both digital and printable board games that you can do. So you can take your list of articulation words and you can go ahead and use one of these games to while your kiddo is practicing their words. So again, if you guys have any questions, please remember just to reach out to us so we can help you in any way that you might need. We miss you guys all, and I hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Bye.